you're watching this video, it's because you are in an area that has been impacted by a hailstorm. But don't worry, Foothills Roofing and Exteriors is here to help you. It's important for you to be proactive during this time. Being proactive can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So don't wait. Fill out the form below and schedule your complimentary roof inspection today. Or give us a call and we'll be happy to schedule that with you over the telephone. You have the option to work with many roofing companies. Certain things that make us very different is that we personally upgrade you to an impact-resistant roof for no additional charge. That way you don't have to go replacing your roof year after year. The next thing is that we're one of the only companies with a 2-story hydraulic lift. This lift goes up and down the roof line to make sure that your landscaping stays undamaged and to make sure that it's a clean job site. Lastly, my name is Armando J. Cox. I'm the owner of Foothills Roofing and Exteriors. And if there's any problem, I promise that I will come out to your house personally and fix that problem, no questions asked. We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you and have a great day.